That is, we are in this one more, that is chloroplast topic. I'm saying you that what are the parts it might contains means stroma, it contains stroma or matrix, it contains outer membrane, it contains inner membrane, it contains ribosomes, granum, thylakoid, stroma, thylakoid, naked DNA. What I'm trying to tell you is that the stroma or matrix, which is a what, which is just like a cytoplasm of chloroplast, is called as a stroma or matrix, and inside them, what it will contain means inside them it will contain enzymes. Inside them, it will contain ribosomes. What type of ribosomes? Again, see, these things can be asked in a NEET, but not in MCETA. What type of ribosomes means 70S ribosomes, and a naked DNA, which doesn't contain any nuclear envelope. And last one is a thylakoid membranes. Thylakoid membranes, as I said, they are made up of the proteins and lipids. And how many types of thylakoid membranes are there? Means two types of stroma and thylakoid. Stroma, thylakoid, and granum thylakoid. Stroma, thylakoid, and the granum thylakoid. Just see here. Just see here. Everyone, listen carefully. Just take the this single one. Just take this single one more. Just take the single one as it is a single in nature. As it is a single in nature, and at the same time it is present in the stroma. Single thylakoid membrane. The single thylakoid membrane present singular and present in the stroma. That one is called as a stroma thylakoid. That one is called as a stroma thylakoid. वो single है stroma में that type of thylakoid membranes are called as what? Stroma thylakoids. If you go and see this area, there are how many how many thylakoid membranes are there? One, two, three, four, five. Five thylakoids are there. If the thylakoids are grouped together, if the thylakoids are grouped together, if the thylakoids are grouped together, that type of thylakoids are called as a granum thylakoids. No, granum thylakoids. That type of thylakoids is called as a granum thylakoids. Very simple. If they are present in a single, they are called as stroma. If they are grouped together, they are called as a granum thylakoids. By seeing your diagram, tell me how many granum thylakoids are there in your diagram, so that I can understand. This thing completed in your first year only, my 9th and 10th class అయిపోయి ఉంటుంది. నాకు ఎందుకు ఆన్సర్ చెప్తున్నారు అర్థం కాలేదు. Tell me how many granum thylakoids are there in your respective diagram. Screen మీద మీకు ఎన్ని thylakoid ఎన్ని కనబడుతున్నాయో చెప్పండి అమ్మా. Just try to tell me how many thylakoid membranes are there in your screen, on your screen. How many granum thylakoids? I'm asking how many granum thylakoids are there in your screen, ma? How many granum? Very good, ma. Very good, ma. How many stroma thylakoids are there? How many stroma thylakoids are there, ma? How many stroma thylakoids are there? Just wait a minute. Now tell me, ma, how many? Now see the diagram. Now see the diagram. Now see the diagram and tell me. I have drawn extra, certain extra. కొంచెం చూడండి అమ్మా. एक बार diagram देख लो, और एक बार I have just drawn the extra. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. And for your information, it is not that the particular chloroplast will contain 4 granum thylakoids or 6 stroma thylakoids. It is not like that, ma. It will the range will be various, ma, various to various type of chloroplast. हर एक chloroplast का उसका खुद का various number. It can be like 200 to 300, etc., etc. I'm just giving an average number only, which can be fit in your diagram. Diagram में fit होने के जैसा I was just drawn, ma. So this is your fourth raw material, ma. Fourth raw material. We still didn't completed your fourth raw material. The fourth raw material is called as chloroplast, and that is a diagram of a chloroplast. If you come from the outer side to the inner side, the outer membrane is present. Inner membrane, two membranes are present, and when you see the liquidy gel type of material which is present inside the chloroplast, it is called as what? It is called as stroma or matrix. And inside this stroma or matrix only, what we all will be having? We will be having enzymes. We will be having ribosomes. And what type of ribosomes means 70S ribosomes. And at the same time, what we are having means we are having the DNA also. That is a naked DNA without any nuclear envelope. And foremost important one is the thylakoid membranes. Thylakoid membranes बोल के रहते, that is an important one. If they are present in single, they are called as the stroma thylakoid. If they are present अगर single रहे तो उनको stroma बोलते हैं. अगर group में रहे तो they will be called as granum thylakoid. If they are present in a single, they are called as the stroma thylakoid. If they are present in group put together, they will be called as granum thylakoid. And now here comes the most important. Okay. Before going to the most important point, you may ask me, sir, what is the necessity of having DNA inside them? See, you are performing one of the most important mechanism in the plant. You are performing one of the most important mechanism in the plant, and that mechanism is called as a photosynthesis. उतना important है बोल तो बहुत ज़्यादा important है. So this photosynthesis, in order to perform, it continuously need to produce enzymes inside them. Inside the chloroplast, it continuously need to produce enzymes. And enzymes ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో, enzymes are protein in nature. Enzymes are whatever they are protein in nature. So proteins, where the proteins are produced inside the ribosomes. Inside the ribosomes, proteins are produced. And this ribosomes receives the order from where, ma? This ribosomes receives the order from the respective naked DNA. The DNA that you're seeing inside at the center now, that is a naked DNA. Ma. This naked DNA orders the ribosomes. Why it will order the ribosomes? And what type of ribosomes? Why it will order the ribosomes? Because ribosomes are commonly called as what? Protein factories. Ribosomes are commonly called as protein factories. So that's why naked DNA will order the ribosomes to produce the proteins. Proteins means that is the enzymes, because enzymes and proteins are same thing. I mean, all the enzymes are proteins only, and these enzymes play an important role, where these enzymes will play an important role in the photosynthesis. And see, because of, let me tell you, no need of telling you on the pause deep was also. That is the reason why we are having the enzymes. That is the reason why we are having the ribosomes inside the chloroplast, and that is the reason why we are having the DNA inside them. What is the necessity means? Because to produce the enzymes, to produce the respective enzymes for the performation of the photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is not a simple step. एक एक सेकंड में होने वाला स्टेप नहीं होता हो.